In this video we'll learn about add method. Add method adds an element to the set. If the element is already present, it doesn't add anything. So let's make an empty set and store it in set1 variable. So I am going to add a number 77. So let me make another addition, set1 dot add, and here we will add a string 77. Let's print the set1. So you can see here both the elements being added. So let's add another one. So let's make a set of A, E, I, O and U, and this will be stored in vowels. So vowels dot add. So let me add something which is already there. So O is already there, so let's add O. Let's print vowels. So you can see here it is giving the same output. Let me put I is also there, so you can see the same output is being printed. So now let's add a tuple. So let's change the vowels variable, vowels, and here in this I am making the set of A, E and U, and let's make a tuple and store it in tuple variable. Okay, so I am going to put I and O. So vowels dot add, so we'll add the tuple tup, and let's print the vowels. So you can see here it has added. So if I copy and paste it once again, it doesn't add anything. The same set will be printed as the output. So like normal elements, you can add the same tuple only once.